everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to receive money from Amazon Pay to bank account. So here's the step number one. Step number one is to check Amazon Pay balance. So to do that, you just have to open the Amazon app or visit the Amazon Pay website and then go to Amazon Pay and then tap on your transactions to view your balance. Ensure the balance is eligible for transfer, so because some balances like cashback rewards may not be transferable. So you just have to tap on this one. And then step number two is to verify KYC if required. So Amazon Pay may require you to complete KYC or know your customer verification before transferring money to a bank account. Now go to Amazon Pay settings and complete the KYC process by providing the required documents, like for example, your ID proof, like this one. Now step number three is to initiate a transfer to bank account. To do that, just have to open the Amazon Pay section in the Amazon app or website, and then just select a send money or withdraw to bank account. This is optional, it may vary by region. And then just enter your bank account details, including account holder's name, account number, and bank IFSC code. After that, you just have to confirm the details to proceed. Now lastly is to complete the transfer. To do that, you just have to enter the amount that you wish to transfer, and then review the transaction details and confirm the withdrawal. The funds will be transferred to your bank account. The processing time may vary, but usually instant or within 1 to 3 working days. And that's basically it. That's how you receive money from Amazon Pay to bank account. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!